Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to give you the rundown on the LokLik iCraft cutting machine with 20 things you ought to know. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. I have my notes here to help keep me on track. So this cutting machine, I think overall is good for both novice as well as professionals. Let's jump right in with the materials. So number one, material compatibility. You need to know that it can cut over 100 materials, and it's going to be the usual suspect, guys. So like the permanent vinyl, the felt, the HTV, and then the list goes on. Number two, let's talk about the dual functionality. So it does support both cutting and drawing. So say for instance, you are creating a card. You want to draw a picture on there or say some words, write something on there, you're able to draw and then go ahead and cut that card out. Number three, it has the print and cut feature. So with that feature, you are able to get your design on the canvas. You are able to print it out on your home printer, and then from there go ahead and precisely cut around that design. The other thing I want to talk about, number four, is the sound. So the sound of the machine isn't very loud. It is pretty quiet. It is going to create a bit of a hum, but I do believe that that's something that you should take into consideration. This particular machine, I do believe, is a bit quieter than most cutting machines. Number five, software integration. So the LokLik iCraft machine does have its own software, and it is called Idea Studio. And there you have like over 12,000, oh wait a minute guys, let me correct that, that's over 18,000 free images. And then of course they're always like adding new images and different things like that for creative inspiration. Number six, offline compatibility. So you are able to use this machine offline if you need to. So if your internet connection is down or you're just not like near an internet source at that time, you're able to go ahead and still complete your projects without being online. Number seven, it does support multi-device operation. So say you are a small business owner or even say just a hobbyist, and you are getting out holiday orders or you are doing gifts for the family. To be able to connect multiple devices and run them at the same time is going to help you to be more efficient when getting out those large orders or creating all of those gifts for the family. Now, number eight, I want to talk about the user-friendly design. So with the buttons, I noticed they are backlit. So if you're working in like low light, you're going to be able to see the start button, the stop button, all the pause, all that good stuff. You're going to be able to see it because it's lit. And then the buttons are soft touch, so you don't have to mash it to get it to work. It's just going to work with a simple soft touch. Now, number nine, it does have built-in storage. So if you are like me and you have like 5 weeding tools and all like multiples of everything, to be able to keep a certain set of tools right near the machine and know where they are when you need it is always going to be a good thing. Now, number 10, it does have an accessory called the roll holder. So the roll holder pretty much is going to allow you to put your HTV or your vinyl in the holder, and then it just will slide through the machine just a little bit more smoother. So it just helps keep everything a little bit more neater and a little more compact. Now let's talk about the cutting blades. So it does come with the fine point blade, and then also you have the deep point blade, the pen, there is the foil transfer tip, and then also there is a scoring stylus. Now let's talk about number 12, and that's the drawing pen. So the drawing pen does come included in the box, which is always a good thing because this is something you can whip out, put together, and then able to get to experimenting or creating projects right away because you have a little bit of everything you need to get started. Let's talk about size, which is number 13. So guys, when I pulled the machine out of the box, immediately I noticed that it was one, lightweight, and then it has a slender profile. So as far as measurements, we got 22 by 7.28 by 5.6 inches. So it is not going to take up a lot of space at all. Number 14, color options. So I always like color options because it is going to match your personality or your mood or whatever you do when you say, hey, I want that color. You have options for that. So the colors that it comes in is going to be daisy white, bubblegum blue, as well as lavender purple. And lavender purple is the one that I have because shades of purple, my favorite color. All right, number 15, price point. I think that it is affordable pricing. So the iCraft machine is going to come in at $229.99. I think the price point is really good for both beginners and professionals alike. Let's talk about connectivity. So this is going to be 16 and 17. So as far as connectivity is concerned, you can have your one Bluetooth connection. So that's going to give you a wireless connection. If your machine is in your craft room and your computer is in your office, no worries, wireless connection. On the flip side of that, if you are able to put your machine in the same room as your computer, that's how I have my setup. I got my computer here, I got my iCraft sitting right next to it, and I have that USB wired connection. It's going to work either way. All right, guys, number 18, let's talk about the design library. So as I mentioned a bit earlier, there's a lot of designs out there. And the thing I like about the vast variety of the designs, it's like it meets you where you are. So if you are a beginner and you just want to, let me just grab this and see what that looks like. Or if you are a pro and you say, let me take this, and this, and put together a cohesive design, you have those features there and available for you. And number 19, the machine itself, I would say, is very beginner friendly. So once again, pull it out the box. You are able to just plug it up to your computer or set up that wireless connection. You download the software and you're off. You have your canvas from the Idea Studio. You pull that design and you're able to get going like right away. So it's not like you need to know a whole bunch of information before you are able to get started. Okay guys, number 20. So last but not least, I want to talk about the material size. So first off, it can cut with the mat and without the mat. And with the mat, it can cut up to a width of 12 inches. And then without the mat, it can cut a width of 13 inches. So that is really good to give you pretty much more space to make larger designs. But guys, that is all I have for you today. I just want to give you the rundown, the 20 things you need to know about the LokLik iCraft. If you got any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you give it a thumbs up? And guys, remember, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.